Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for those customers who's using Samsung Android smartphone like A series, M series, J series, F series, any series of Samsung Android smartphone if you're using. And if your Android smartphone, I mean to say if your Samsung Android smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. So if you want to visit service center, so don't worry at all. Here I am going to give you some tips and tricks by which you can unlock your Samsung Android smartphone by sitting at home without visiting any service center. Firstly, when your phone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, then after you will have to firstly hard reset of your smartphone. Then after hard reset of your handsome smartphone, your phone will open like this, and you will get a such type of display like welcome, language, start and emergency call. Okay, so one more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, in this method, firstly your phone should be charged at least 30%. So you can see here my phone is charged 68%, so it's much enough to use this unlocking method. And this video is totally dedicated for FRP bypass lock. Okay, FRP bypass lock means after unlocking, your phones will be locked due to Google locking credential, so that is known as FRP lock. Okay, so let's check when after hard reset, when you will switch on your phone and go with this start option and check all these options, go to the agree here. Now go to the more and agree. Now again you will have to go to the next. So let's check what happened here, my friend. So here you can see here it's again asking your pin pattern or password lock which you had applied to your smartphone, that will ask on this page. But here you can see here another option is showing here, use my Google account. Okay, so simply you can click on this option to check what happened after that page. So here you can see here it's asking your Gmail ID and password, or if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, and if you have remember your that phone number, then you can also use that phone number to log in on this page. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and phone number, so you can see here you're not getting any skip option on this page. So how will you get a skip option on this page? Because without bypass this page you can't switch on your smartphone after hard reset. Okay, so this lock is known as FRP lock. Okay, so you can see here this lock is generated by Google, and this is very essential to unlock your smartphone to use this FRP bypass lock. Okay, so here I am going to give you some tips and tricks by which you can get a skip option on this page. By skip that option, you can bypass this page and switch on your Samsung Android smartphone of any series. Okay, so firstly you will have to go to the previous page and go to the start page here. Okay, now firstly you will have to change here your language. You will have to change your language from English India to English UK, because Samsung is a brand of US. Okay, so simply you will have to select the English US. Then after you will get an option that will show here emergency call. Simply you will have to click on this emergency call option. Now here you will have to dial star hash 0 star and hash, star hash 0 and star hash. Then after that star hash 0 and star hash, you will get a such type of display. Here you will get lots of option on this page, but you will have to go to the option that is showing here sensor. Simply you will have to click on this sensor option, and when you will click on this sensor option, you can see here you will get a different type of synchronizing option on this page. Here you don't have to do anything. Simply you will have to wait here for 5 seconds minimum, and maximum there is no limit. Where your 5 seconds will be done, simply you will have to go to the back option. Now here you can see here the another option is showing here, that is showing here blue. Simply you will have to click on this blue option. Your all the full display will show here blue color. Okay, for this option you will have to again wait for 5 seconds. Then after you will have to click on anywhere on your phone screen to go to the back option. Okay, now after that you will get an option that is showing here version at the bottom of this option. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this option, you can see here you will get a such type of versions name. Simply you don't have to do anything here. Simply you will have to wait here for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds again you will have to go to the back option here. Okay, now after that you will have to go to the back and reach to the starting page. Okay, now when you will reach to the starting page, you will get a such type of display here. Okay, now after that you will have to click on this start option, and you will have to check all these options and click to this agree to all, then go to the agree here. Okay, now after that go to the agree. Now here You can see here it's showing here your Wi-Fi network. So one more thing I'd like to tell you, my friend, your phone should be completely connected to the Wi-Fi or internet, because it's very mandatory to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network to use this FRP bypass method. Okay, now after that, on this page you will have to switch on your talkback option, and for this simply you will have to press the power button and the volume up button, press and hold and release. Then after, your talkback option will be switch on like this. You can see here, press, hold and release. Click on this use, then again you will have to repeat the same, press, hold and release. Now here you will get a such type of page. Here you will have to draw a opposite L. When you will draw a opposite L, you will get a three type of option. Firstly, you will have to click on this while using the app. You will have to double tap on this while using the app. Now here you will have to tap on this use voice command, double click. Open Google Assistant. Open settings. Okay, now when your setting options will be display on your phone display, then after you will have to switch off your talkback option, and for this again you will have to repeat the process, that the power button and the volume up button, press, hold and release. Now you can see here the talkback option has been switched off. Now here you will get a lots of option on this page, but you will have to go to the option that will show here lock screen. Simply you will have to click on this lock screen option. Now after that you will have to scroll down and go to the down. Okay, here you will get two options. The first one is showing here face recognition, and the second one is showing here fingerprint. Firstly you will have to click on this face recognition option, and you can see here you will get a continue pop-up on this screen. Simply you will have to tap on this continue. Then after again you will get a continue pop-up. Simply you will have to tap on this continue option 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then after you will have to go to the back option. Again you can see here the second option is showing here fingerprint. Simply you will have to tap on this. Now again you will have to tap on this continue option 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now after that all the things has been done. After that you will have to go to the back option. Okay, now here you can see here there is an option that is showing here about lock screen. Simply you will have to click on this lock screen option. When you will switch on this lock screen option, you will get a option that will show here open source license. Simply you will have to click on this. Now here you will get a web address here. Okay, there it is showing here web address. Simply you will have to copy this web address. Now after copy you will have to go to the back option. Again you will have to go to the back and exit the setting page. Okay, now after that you will have to go to the back option here, and will have to start these options again. Go to the more and agree. Then after here you will have to go to this add network option here. Now here you will get an option that will show here view more. Simply you will have to click on this view more option. Now after that you will have to click on this IP setting. Simply you will have to click on this, and you will have to select this static option. Now here you will have to change some IP address. Here IP address will be 888.00.999.00. Here you will have to repeat the same, that is 888.00.999.00. Now after that you will have to repeat the same 24. Here you will have to tap here 8.8.8.8. Here you will have to tap the same, that is 8.8.4.4. Now after that you don't have to do anything on this page. Simply you will have to go to the back option. Now again you will have to click on this add network option. Now here you will get a setting option here in your keyboard. Okay, simply you will have to click on this. Now after that you will get a lots of option on this page, but firstly you will have to scroll down and go to the bottom. Here you will get an option that will show here reset to default settings. Simply you will have to tap on this. Now after that you will get a two option. The first option is showing here reset keyboard setting, and the second option is showing here erase personalized prediction. Simply you will have to click on this reset, and the second one is showing here erase. You will have to erase this option. Now after that you will have to go to the back option here. Now here you will get an option that will show here language and type. Simply you will have to click on this language and type option. Now after that you will get an option that is showing here manage input language. Simply you will have to click on this. Here you will get a lots of option on this page, but here you will have to select all the English whatever is showing here. So you can see here English UK is showing here, the second one is English US. Now after that you will have to again find all the English here. Now here you can see here English is showing. Simply you will have to click on this. After that you will have to go to the back because all the English has been selected here. Okay, so here you will get a lots of options to download other the language, but you don't have to download here. Whatever is showing in English you will have to select that all the language. Then after you will have to go to the back here. Now again you will have to go to the back option here. Now after that here you will get an option that is showing here text shortcut. Simply you will have to click on this. Now after that you will have to click on this option. Now you will have to click on this add option. Then after you will get a such type of page. Here you will have to feed the this one and this one. So firstly you will have to type here all Samsung FRP remove. You will have to type here all Samsung FRP remove without any space. Mark my word, you don't have to use here any space. Then after you will have to paste that web address which you had copied. Okay, now after that you will have to click on this add option. Now all the settings has been done. The last setting what I am going to give you. Okay, simply you will have to reach to the starting page here. Now after that you will have to start this page again, agree to all, go to the agree here. Now here you will have to uncheck two options. The first one is showing here nearby devices and the second option is again showing here nearby devices. You will have to uncheck both of the options. Then after you will have to go to the agree here. Okay, now after that you will have to go to the next because all the settings has been done. Simply you will have to click on the next option. So after that you will get two options. The first one is showing here don't copy and the second one is showing here next. Simply you will have to select this don't copy option. Now after that, so my friend, you can see here the skip option is showing in this page where your Gmail ID and phone number was asking. Now you can easily bypass this page because the skip option is showing in this page. So this is very useful method for you if you don't want to visit service center and expense your money. Okay, so simply you will have to click on this skip option, skip here. Now go to the accept. If you want to new pin pattern and password lock, so you may use from this page. So right now I will skip this page here, skip anyway. Go to the OK. Next, skip this page. So you will get a pop-up that is your all setup and you will get a sign of finish. Simply you will have to tap on this. Go to the agree. So here it will ask you to select a language. You can also skip this page, but I will suggest you select a single language, then go to the next. Continue. Finish. Okay, so you can see here the Samsung Android smartphone has been completely unlocked and the pin pattern and password has been already removed. And one more thing you can see here, the Gmail ID credential has been also removed. I mean to say your phone has been completely FRP bypassed. One more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, if your phone is unlocked with the help of this method, then make sure your phone should be used new pin pattern and password lock within 1 hour. Otherwise your previous pin pattern or password lock will be activated again and you will have to repeat the process again. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.